It's Derekh Chamblee. It's still Sunday afternoon, winding up on about 1:30. August 7th, 2016. Downtown St. Petersburg, Florida. I'm undercover here. As you can see, the weather has gotten very nasty today. I'm very fortunate to be in this spot. It's a great spot to be right now. It's a bar restaurant. Pantanegra. Anyway, University Way intersection here. Got a skywalk there, which really comes in handy when it's raining. A soccer fest, the Rowdies, Tampa Bay Rowdies, and this is really something weather-wise. And I got my sign here. And, may have to move my bag and my sign here as the wind is picking up, and it's going to be a good idea to move this over here. And oh, things are falling down out there. At any rate, just Google Bay News 9, ENTELINTER, Bay News 9, ENTELINTER, ENTELINTER, ENTELINTER. We don't think this is a tropical storm coming in, but at any rate, the meteorologists at Bay News 9 say they're the best, but we've also got, of course, the NBC Channel 8, the Storm Team, and we're just Google Citizen Alert, Florida, the state of emergency, anticipating the possibility of a great hurricane from the Gulf of Mexico coming through sometime between September 10th and October 23rd. At any rate, this is the way it looks Sunday, August 7th, 2016, downtown St. Petersburg, Central Avenue and University Way, Derekh Chamblee, CYBERCITIZEN Network, downtown St. Petersburg, Florida, Battleground Zero, the epicenter of the 2016 presidential election.